Hello everybody, so I tried this hack where you put your Skittles in the freezer and then you see if they're crunchy or not. I'm going to see if mine are crunchy. I'm going to try a purple one. So it's either going to be soft or crunchy. So it's been actually in the fridge, not the freezer. Let's see. Oh my goodness, my teeth literally feel like they're falling out. Look. Look. It's literally so hard. Do not try this hack if you have a wobbly tooth. If you want your tooth to come out, try this if you have a wobbly tooth. We will see you. I will see you in the next video. Try more hacks. Or not. Goodbye.